to prank people, thinking I'm a vending machine.
But
Purple.
since it's cold outside, I'm gonna need a jacket.
Purple with the party hat. Go towards the vending machine of truth. I'm the orange vending machine. Come towards my vending machine. I am the special vending machine. Hey! Hey!
Another drink.
Hey! I told you for the second time. This place is out of order, okay?
I think
What?
the arcade
some
cheeses
Huh?
is
I'm going to get some Oreos. Nom nom. Yummy Oreos.
Here you go.
Nom nom nom.
You want it static? Here you
I
go.
feel like this arcade.
Wait, try to bring me in the vending machine. Oh, you almost did it.
This looks like raspberry.
Blue! Go get Blue and tell him to come to this vending machine.
I'm right here.
Hey, Blue! Come to this vending machine! Come to the orange vending machine!
Vending machine.
Come to me! I'm the magic vending machine! I said listen to me! I said I'm the magic vending machine, okay?
Nine.
Stop trying to come inside of my vending machine! I live in here! Do you all know that? I sleep in here, okay? Stop trying to come into my house, everybody!
I can't get in there because I'm fat.
Everybody, you can't go into this vending machine. Bodyguard, get him out of here, or else I'm gonna have to get him out myself. You didn't listen. Now you have to pay the consequences. Now your mom will know the most terrible thing that you've done. Now your mom will know what you did at school tomorrow. Now your mom shall know what you did at school yesterday. Ooh. Yo, the person with the hat on. Person with the bandana and the hat on. Come to the orange vending machine. I am the magic vending machine. Hey, we're out of order, okay?
I can't hear you. There's something going on with my
Hey, stop trying to come inside of my vending machine.
You want to punch in the face on?
I said, don't go inside of my vending machine.
Wait a second.
Don't go inside of my vending. Get out of my vending machine. Get away from me. No, you don't. And I live in this vending machine. I am the vending machine. Oh, new customers. Yellow, come to the magic vending machine. Come to this vending machine right here. Hey, we're out of order, bro. Yo, stay away. We're out of order. Bro, we're out of order, bro.
I'm scared of the arcade.
Yo, guys, we're out of order. Just don't come to this. Don't come here. We're out of order, bro. I'm ordering some Yo, I said we're out of order, bro. We're out of order. Go away. I'm ordering soda pops off of Amazon right now. Okay? Your soda will be here in like 3 million years. Guys, stay away from my vending machine. I'll get your drinks in a minute.
How you go in?
I'm the owner of this vending machine. I am the person that made this vending machine. I'm the only person that... Did you try and flip me off by doing this?
I'm scared of something.
What? Did you try and flip me off doing this?
When I was in the arcade in this game, I teleported to a weird world. And I have... We're out of order. I didn't know what to do. I'm scared.
And I have the mountain smash.
Just whenever, guys. I'll see you guys.
Hey, cowboy hat! Cowboy hat with the scarf on! Go to the the orange... Hey, cowboy hat! Cowboy hat, come here, come here.
Wait, can I come?
I said come here. I said come.
Can I come?
Come. What is the art cave? What are people talking about the art cave for? Well, I guess it's time to get dementia by bonking my head on the wall. What the heck? I can feel things now. Wait, please tell me I can still go inside of my... No! I can't. What is happening? Oh. No, my magic powers are gone. Oh.
We're out of order.
What's happening?
We're out of order.
I guess I'll see everyone later. Okay, I'll go.
Yeah, I always tried that glitch before and that did not work.
Yeah, it does.
Why does it still? Why does it work for you? I always got do it. Look, I'll even do it.
See ya.
Is this how you do it? Hey, be careful.
See ya.
Yo, guys! What do you call my microphone? I'm ashamed of you. You don't got the. I'm ashamed of you for not having
Christmas. Bring it here, my heart. Hello, Merry next day. You away.
here and nothing has changed.
Yes, yeah. You see me out here.
Hey, want to do a battle?
Yo. What happened? Hello? Oh. Different lobby? Chicken? Chicken jockey? Hello? Chicken jockey? Oh. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hey, I swear I've seen you before. I've seen you before, I swear I have. I've seen you before.
And who am I? Who am I then?
Oh wait, no, you're a different person.
And who,
You were one of the people that I was pranking. Ah, I was supposed to get
I
you.
just heard literally knocking. Gorilla.
Pepper, come get me. Yo, I won.
I'm already.
I'm gonna run again, guys. I'm gonna win again.
No, don't, please.
Here, press.
I'm gonna win again, guys.
Come here.
Hold it.
Come here.
No.
Come here. Come here, little Timmy. Don't worry, it's
No, I
just
don't
me,
want
Mickey Mouse.
So just be like,
Timmy,
go.
Timmy,
My
please.
name is not Timmy. It's
Please, Timmy. Slow down.
Bobby Bob.
Timmy, please, it's just me. Just me, Mickey. Timmy, why did you have to do this, Timmy?
There, you're literally right there.
Yo.
Timmy, you monkey.
Where am I? Which friend's thing am I?
Hey. You 10-pound flounder eating a quarter pounder.
Why would I swallow a goldfish? And then why would I do that? Oh my god!
Go on.
How do I tag? Do I have to?
No, the game hasn't started.
Yes. Run, cause I am speed. 7 beers is all I need.
I'm gonna go back.
Ding dong, ding dong, bakali daddy, ding dong, ding dong, boom, ga ga ga, like a ding dong, goo, 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 ding. Oh my god!
Cup of coffee. You 10-pound flounder eating a coffee.
Okay, everyone spread out. Unless you wanna get
Bye,
tagged.
Gorilla. I'll see you
See ya.
tomorrow.
See you in heaven. I had a spooky.
Guys, I think.
I won! I win! Let's see who I get.
No.
Do I get the 10-pound flounder eating a quarter pounder, or do I get the baked bean?
I think we need 4 people to pay.
Oh man. I guess there is no 10-pound flounder eating a quarter pounder.
Yeah, the
See
game
you
is
in
over.
heaven! Swear jar! What is up, monkey? Please. 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 Just me. Just me. I'm the only 10-pound flounder eating a quarter pounder that is in here. My controller is glitched. Oh, I'm stuck holding a sword. Please tell me I'm the only 10-pound flounder eating a quarter pounder in here. But there's nothing wrong with that. I swear if I hear Daisy, just Daisy, I'm drop kicking my VR into Mariana Trench. Did I escape? Did I escape from the 10-pound flounder eating a quarter pounder? I did! Where the heck am I? Is this America? Is this the USA? Is this the USA? Is this the USA? Is this where the 10-pound flounder eating a quarter pounders live? This is the USA. Yeah, this is the USA.
Oh, hello, Red.
What is that, monkey?
I want to open the door.
I'm gonna buy paper I'm finding everything.
Goodbye, everyone.
Do I have the bag? Yes, I have the bag.
I have mods, guys. I have mods.
You have
Bro, send the sword, bro. You're not slick. I'm just kidding, bro. That cappuccino, it's upper monkey. I found it on the 3rd floor.
Bro, you want this? The third floor?
Bro, I found every secret thing. My gosh.
Somebody found something on the 3rd floor and I'm looking. I'm just gonna grab onto the phone.
What's on the 3rd floor? What's on the 3rd floor?
And they found...
Yo, guys, I learned the same trick attack.
What is the secret that's on the 3rd floor?
Jojo, Bill,
That's 10-pound flounder eating a quarter pounder. Ah! Oh, and Mr. Beast, Mr. Clean, I got to pee. Bruce Clues, John Wick, eating a quarter pounder, extra cheese, holy ice, rolled dice. Now you're built like a pizza rice. Ice or speed, Lightning McQueen. What looking cave is this? No, what the heck? What the heck?
No. Yeah, I'm doing it because you guys are.
What the heck?
Are we serious?
Is this worth it if I buy this? Bro, what the heck is this?
What are you doing?
Bro, what is this?
Yeah, I don't care if I'm Harvey.
That's
cool.
Look, guys, look at it.
Nope.
I haven't played on the
Straight up darkness.
Before you
Do you want me to do all this?
For me, bro.
Yo, but this
What
looks
is this?
close.
This.
What is this, girl? Do I get to eat myself?
I love it.
What?
This is so cool. I love this stuff right there. Oh my god.
Look. Burn it.
Oh,
Look at.
I'm gonna bet that.
It's right now. Yo.
Yo, guys, I can't believe that I actually get a look at this. Like, man, you're just such a cool update in Gorilla Tag. This is such a cool update
What the heck?
in Gorilla Tag.
Let me in.
This is such a good update in Gorilla Tag.
What happened? What happened?
Say
See ya in Scary
Such a
Boo.
great update in Gorilla Tag.
Please. Monkey. Goodbye.